Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. It's your maths lesson time and it's your book Learning Star Mathematics. Now, open page number 10. First we have to mention the date 5 August. First we read icon, count right, count right, count and write the number of fruits in each basket. यहाँ हमें काउंट करना है, गिनना है एक बास्केट में कितने फ्रूट्स हैं. Here's what is this? This is apple. In this basket, this is apple. So first we have to count the apples. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to write here 5. Now come to the next basket. Which fruit is this? Yes, this is orange. Now start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now write 15. 1, 5, 15. Now come to the next basket. What is this? This is mangoes. Yes. Pause. These are mangoes. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have to write here 20. 2 tens and 1 0 is equal to. So we have to write here 2 tens, 0 units become 20. Rest of all do it by yourself. Now come page 27. 27. Mention the date 5th August. First read the icon, count right, count right, number writing, count and write the numbers from 51 to 70. We 61 to 70. First we come to, we have to understand that it's a 10 column, it's a unit column. T means tens, U means units. Okay, now start work. Each jar have a 10 candies. Each jar has a 10 candies or a marble or a balls. कुछ भी हो सकता है जो आपकी समझ में आए. ठीक है, अब इसको काउंट करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. We have to write here 6 in a tens column. Now count the units. How many units are there? 1. So we have to write here 1. How many jars are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jars in a 10 column. So we have to write in a tens column 6. How many units are there in a unit column? 2. So we have to write 2. How many 6 are there? 1, 2. How many jars are there in a tens column? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6 in a tens column. How many units are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 3 in a units column. It's become 63. Now count the jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write 6 in a tens column. Now we have to count units. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. It's become 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jars. So we have to write here 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write in a unit column 5. It's become 65. Count the jars. Then write it here 6. How many units? 6. It's become 66. Now count the jar. Then write it here. It's 6. And how many units are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write here 7. It's become 67. Now count the jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to write here 6. Or how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write here 8. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jars. Now how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to write in a 9 in a unit column. Okay. What's come after 69?
70.
70. Yes. First we have to count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write here 7. There is nothing in a unit column. So it's mean we have to write 0 in a unit column. It's become 70. Rest of all, do it by yourself.
Now I'm going to give you the concept of big, bigger and biggest. Open page number 20. The icon says learn, circle. Write down the date. It's 5th of August. Ordering by size. Here we are having a big doll. Then we are having the bigger one. And on the end we are having the biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Now we are having the exercise down. Circle the biggest object in the row. In these rows we are having the object with the size big, bigger and biggest. Among them we have to circle the biggest one. This is a big elephant. This is the bigger one and this is the biggest. So we have to circle the biggest one. This is a big shell, the bigger one and the biggest. Now circle the hats by yourself. Thank you.
स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं आजकल कोविड-19 की वजह से हमें अपनी केयर खुद ही करनी है. सो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, हर थोड़ी देर में जाके हैंड वॉश करना है. ठीक है, नहीं तो अगर पॉसिबल नहीं है बार बार हैंड वॉश करना तो सैनिटाइज़र यूज़ कीजिए. और घर से बाहर जाएं तो भी सैनिटाइज़र का यूज़ करिए और मास्क पहनिए. स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.